In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Mailchimp buttons. Buttons do a lot of heavy lifting in your emails and pages, guiding people to click, buy, or learn more. Getting the look and feel right can boost clarity and clicks, so let's walk through how to style them in Mailchimp in a clear, simple way. Start by opening your design in the Mailchimp builder and adding a regular button block, or select an existing one you want to update. You can place it wherever it makes sense in your layout, like beneath a headline or a product image. Once the button is selected, look to the left pane. This is where its properties live, and it's the control center for everything we're about to change. Next, switch to the Styles tab in that left pane. This is where you'll shape the visual personality of your button. Begin with shape. Adjust the corner radius to move from a crisp rectangle to a softer, pill-shaped button. Rounded corners feel friendly. Sharper edges can look more formal. Then, explore the border settings. You can set the border width, color, and style. A subtle, thin border can add definition. A thicker border can make the button pop. Colors are key for visibility. Choose a background color that contrasts strongly with the page or email behind it, and pair it with a text color that's easy to read. High contrast is essential for accessibility and for catching the eye. For alignment, choose left, center, or right to match your layout. Centered buttons often work well for clear calls to action, while left-aligned buttons can feel more editorial. Size and padding help with both aesthetics and tappability. Increase the font size for readability, and adjust the button's overall size to fit your content hierarchy. Padding adds breathing room inside the button. A little extra vertical and horizontal padding makes the button feel substantial and easier to tap on mobile. Aim for generous spacing without overwhelming nearby text. As you make changes, glance at the live preview so every tweak aligns with your brand and looks great on different screen sizes. Keep your styling consistent throughout the design, using the same corner radius, border approach, and color combinations helps your message feel cohesive and professional. And there you go. By selecting a regular button block, opening the left pane, heading to the Styles tab, and fine-tuning shape, borders, colors, alignment, size, and padding, you've customized your Mailchimp button with confidence. That's all. Simple, effective, and ready to drive clicks.